Is your Windows 11 taskbar acting up? In the next few seconds, I'll guide you on how to reset your taskbar to resolve issues and get it working smoothly. Stay tuned for a quick and effective solution. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run box and type or paste in Regedit, then hit Enter. Next, navigate to the following location by copy-pasting it in the text bar at the top. Computer OH key, local machine on software M, Microsoft and Windows, current version, shell, update, packages. In the right panel, right-click anywhere, then choose New and select dword value, 32-bit, or the 64-bit option for those with a 64-bit system. Name it Undocking Disabled, then double-click on it and set the value data to 1. Now restart your computer. You'll notice a few broken or not working icons present on the left side of the taskbar, such as Cortana, Search, and Task View. Type or copy and paste the following text in a notepad file and save it as a BAT file. After you save the file, double-click on it to run the program. It will automatically reset your taskbar's settings to default. From here, you can customize your taskbar if you go to the Settings window by pressing the Windows button +I, then follow Personalization from the left panel, followed by Taskbar from the right side. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.